supposed to do and what we're supposed to gather our Christians and bring them together, I blocked up the courage. It was a sad experience. The houses were burned, lives were lost, people were roasted like fowls. The corpses were, the day they brought the corpses to bed, I could not believe my eyes. I felt very sad. But one thing keeps us going, the hope in the resurrection. And that's what the preacher told us today, dignity of human life. That day I saw human life lost. I saw there was no regard for human life. People roasted like fowls, people shot with distance lying out, and it was a sad experience. And the Christians could not bear that. Barely 2 hours after, the whole parish was empty. The parish was empty. The Christians went, they fled. Christians told me, Father, we have just 2 hours to be in this parish. So we are burying them. After 2 hours, we are gone. So I had to take the right of burial, simple right of burial.
One of the most difficult day where inhabitants them for Milu, they not go ever forget time. Now number 5 day for December where it passed, this one will come for 2018 for that side, so they don't ever forget that day for inside Milu. May we just come over for that side for inside Blue Division, come back from inside Bamenda town where it is. So Cardinal to me, Presbyterian Church, big man too, even talk about Imam them too for that side, they become together for Shino for see how their own preparation and what they need for do and what they need for see arrange and wait till the lack and wait till the camp start lack for that side. But any idea particular, we will just hear small from Cardinal for that side and from waiting them for small to where they be talk for inside that meeting for that side for inside Bamenda.
For the thorough preparation of this very important meeting, where we will have to let the world know, what are our problems. Our main aim is not to take the place of any person in Cameroon. We're meeting as religious leaders to propose to the head of state what Cameroonians, English-speaking Cameroonians, think are the causes of the present socio-political problems, and what do we as religious leaders propose as solutions.
Represent the Anglophone person, talking about who is behind who is supporting the AGC internationally. Of course, you know that these boys who are our brothers and sisters who are abroad, they stay using international diplomatic, I don't know, immunity. And so it is important for us to also consult some of the bodies. The UN we can consult some of the representatives who are here. They are not sponsoring us. This is what
to meet the traditional rulers, to meet other stakeholders on how we can be able to have a lasting solution to this problem. And so after these meetings, we'll be having another meeting in which we'll be able to now look at the results of our consultative talks. So in that way, we'll be able to set a date. And the essence of having these consultative talks is to make sure that every stakeholder buys into our idea. So in this way, the different factions, the different ideologies in the air concerning this whole issue will now come into play, and will now, as the eminence said a while ago, ask the simple 2 questions. What are the causes of this problem, and what are the solutions? When we gather these facts, it will now give us the opportunity.
That letter is talking about the forms of government. And referendum, in my humble opinion, is not. Any other thing you see mentioning referendum is not from us. By contrast, there are 3 questions, 2 basically, which is that of governance. We're asking the forms of, we talked about the decentralized, unitary decentralized state that we have currently, and the preceding one, which was federalism. But at the 3rd, we said, if you are not satisfied with these proposals, you make yours. So it is going to be contradictory for the people of the AGs to say they are neutral, and then at the same time issue a letter indicating referendum. So go on the web, we have a Facebook page, we don't have a website yet, which is abundant. You see the letter there and you see the responses. You even see the seal of His Eminence affixed to it.
Una don't hear the small story the way they be chakara for inside that meeting for that side for Bamenda. But after that meeting, now them this they enter for inside motor, so don't enter inside Bamenda due to how now men of God them, pastor them, if they would imam them, they don't enter inside Bamenda. They don't go tap small grace for Pani, Johnny, Frunindi, for things and that they don't can do for inside territory, and what you think and what if it tell advice and how he go take his own part for inside this one where they call and say for this Nongame where they struggle for organize for that side. Part two, he say when I come good, but Pani, Johnny, Frunindi, he talks to you too. He they give them congratulate for thing where they do am. Despite saying governor, he no one put a blue pen or red pen for that side for say me they go ahead. But if he talks about it, me they go before. He there for them back. Papa ne Johnny Fro Nindi. What thing happen? Where they so we don't get the kind of stranger where they don't even call for thing to say so they come. Wait till you if you talk for Palava this one.
Because we get a meeting here in Bamenda. So they say they ought to come Bamenda, pass way, now pass salute me, and for say they come here for meeting. And they say they recognize the role we don't play for all these things. And so they pass for just brief me, say they don't come for meeting, they pass fine, and they go for do other consultations in other places before they finally summon the meeting again. Influential person. Well, I tell them, say, Anglophone problem the day. I told them Anglophone problem the day, and I congratulate them for the efforts that they made to resolve these problems. But I regret, say, many people do not take the Anglophone problem serious. And despite that, the threats that they get, they will still go before. I tell them to make them go before.
Papa tell them say make them go before. When I go for before, either for na back for so many problems. It's so more thing when I go to that side for Adamawa this time around. Master Patrick, for that side for Adamawa, now this use them for that side for Mayo Banyon, they be come out. For they woke up for that for 3:30, 4 a.m. for morning time. Do march passing, go on top hill. Sing gospel song, send that prayer. Oh, Papa God, if you don't move I for Cameroon, put back I for Cameroon. Papa God, you didn't like say no there for Africa again, put back I for Africa. Papa God, see how brother they die like a fowl. Papa God, make them meet all this one command. Papa God, woman, they don't discriminate for bush, oh, they don't turn early men and women. They don't turn early men and women. They need to chop, find chop again. Papa, I say they knock prayer, carry placard. They say me go na too. He hear them. And me, Papa God, it touch hard from governor. For same, even though governor they try, me governor hurry up. They say administration is slow like a Nyamangoro. But time when Nyamangoro don't hear hit, it come. You need to know say Nyamangoro for work quick. Eh? You need to know. Semi governor do all things where they be for their capacity for semi their mommy and their papa them. Where they there for village, me the one they there for bush, me the people come back to town, me activity they return back to normal. After they take una two correct and use them, they say so. They don't cry what eye, they don't feel for the eye. They become out as early as 4:30, 1 be 5 o'clock. They don't send knock prayer for that side for Adamawa for that side for inside. They will country as they take una two eye them. See them for that side. Hope they so Papa God a year una message even go na two. He go touch their heart small for say this so me the fit turn look una for that side for Palava this one. Me will come for that side this time around, Mr. Patrick. Carry we move go for that side for Bafang. Oga Mayor for Bafang, he don't be enjoy small new bell where he no be new. Mami them, Okada men, buy am sell am them, they come on make march passing. Mr. Pierre Kwemu, oh Minister of Justice, moving for Konengi. He enter for that side for this day where they call and say for number 11 day for December for January. When they carry go for that side, they say he begin for going for court for saying they go check it on because thing will happen with you. Is it like thing will be happen to me for? Where they say come for convocation, tell me they come for convocation, one time they show it today, so go one time for new bed. Now something will happen for that side for Master Mayor, for that side for Bafang for that side where they say so make it pass, it go test small how that's why population of Bafang to come out so made a knock small match passing for talk for Minister for Justice say this so when I move with Mayor election dey come. Na politics or na wetin dey happen. So when they say this na politics wey dey struggle for putting for down, they no wan make it climb again for chair. They say we be climb for chair since 2013. Don create own political party, but people for Bafang say this. So we be satisfied with palava this one and na palava wetin land problem. Land palava e carry go down for up that side so as they take una two koroko right there and see am for that side. For that side, Master Patrick, maybe we just land small for that side from Konsamba for talk about palava accident with pikin them when they go school. This Okada wey sleep for down so Ketu them they dey for drawn on their own road for do what they can't take constant. The Okada man na end that for that side they cry wayo oh wayo. Now so they cry wayo pikin to wey be carry until they cry. See that other Okada man? He dey them 5 on top, 2 pikin for front, 2 pikin for back. 2 pikin for front, 2 pikin for back. The mommy say, my pikin, I just she don't so. I didn't want to see. So pikin go down to Okada. I see one cross also. So Okada man be the wrong with his speech like a link. Beep. One time he jammed the pikin for down. Well, I think jammed the pikin. He passed off for down. They call it for them. Ping pong. They come with time. They only turn up for this to take it. They carry the Okada man carry the pikin. They go to Wasapita for go to the small mutinge for last. When I begin train, when I begin for us, even though school do your own, they begin to say, the man just comes to, he jam the begin, he block him off, so block, blood start come out, they all, they start crying. They start crying, say their friend don't die. But they say this, so, maybe they just pray God, so making us sleep straight like a ruler for that side. Who enter this time around from Banga, Master Patrick, for quarter 5, for inside Banga, palava insecurity, you see the man hand, they don't nearly cut finger, they nearly cut hand, for food, not the same, also na bandage. Inhabitants for quarter 5 for inside Banga, they talk to this to their own non-pass mark. Thief from Banga, the man say, I think we join the park in my talk for front gate, so now so somebody they suspect that man. I think one enter that motor, that man come say, you shake a shoot. What they took her for yard, they took her for hand, they nearly cut the hand. They take tingly, they take pause and they go. And they see that's why they broke people them horse. Now so the one pass, if you don't want to come back for night, if you don't hear smell from cool. Take Tokyo. Because if you just wanna in fact, you just be prefer just move your purse and a telephone put out down there, you can go your house. For daytime, they hold you take money. For night, they hold you take money. So in after they don't really like can complain. Say na go na, but they like say auto for that side they need to hear nothing. Palava insecurity. This kind bush them, whether they can allow me anybody get plenty and the abandoned house. Yes, yeah, for day. Whoosh. They just kind of hear more for day. You won't pass any plenty because Banga at least all man should believe now for farm. All man you want say at least get 1 or 2 planting for corner house where you live here left more. But that planting don't turn the building at danger because now that way they can't hide it. Once you come back to the Harlem. You might say, oh, they will hold me this day. Do you want to tell your own? Do you want to tell your own? We too don't talk our own. We don't talk our own. This time around, we carry una go to for that side from Cam. Oga Ezio, Mr. Amugu, he don't write big book. He talk say this time around, I did talk and I be ready for go be with my ancestors them. When you go from Cam, you need to see that's what you're about. You need to see traditional ruler for village. He get a big house, a big place for Douala or Yaoundé. Then in the traditional ruler. How you the rule village where they for town? So you don't say no traditional ruler, you no go there again for town. They take title say you be traditional ruler. Where your throne is they empty for village. When now you supposed to talk your problem then for people them they only go take salary from government for nothing. You get for the same complaint for people them because people from from camp they say they don't get water, they don't get electricity, they don't get roads. But when you chief you stay for inside town, then you put them for inside bush, they don't get water, they don't get road, you enjoy fine water. Then how you take your village go develop? Tell me any traditional ruler, he take a bangan boot and a changshu, he begin go for back of village. He begin go back for village. But the reality of people from Northwest and Southwest, they will say, how we go do with we own traditional ruler, so I don't even enter a belief on Dofao. Go for Bunabe the scene and so plenty chief they need to do. Come for town here for Douala, change the traditional ruler for Northwest and South, they leave the none of a town. You see traditional ruler, they take the chief every day, no agree same. You got to support with your tonton. And so when they turn around, begin working out from meeting house to meeting house with a small basket, begin tight to them for people and say they don't begin for gear. For sick, I say they want small too for chop to drink small farming. They want drink small farming. Me will come over that side, Master Patrick, this time around for talk about Oga SDO for Baham. Now, in office that they don't put Sele. If secretary say I on to the next Sele for that side, then even go for a compound, now only cry. Social media, with some newspaper, they be check out, I want to say, Oga, he died for Obesh. Then when that to circulate, now so Oga kwata for West Region, he right communicate. He say Oga SDO for Baham, he not die for that place people they talk say he die. Say he died for Wasapita. Say me they don't begin to that kind of thing. You must say, hey, daddy don't go. Who say mommy be there? Mommy be don't travel. If be there for that side, for Adama work for that side where he will go small worker. Oga SDO, he come on for morning time. He go do shopping. We picking them well. Come back for us. He come on like a show guy. Now on the phone call, he come say, Oga, he don't wear. Now on the cry, he there for a compound. Any other countryman will surely come back for bring more update and more to read opportunity to happen for inside this country as they take una to Kurukurai and see for that side for a compound for that side and on the cry. Where it's so tough people for that side for Baham, they say this kind of thing it never ever happen for no leader for Baham. No leader, it never ever happen. Say they go see man for morning time. And one day 7 o'clock, they talking about Palava die. Say now how? He go do shopping, work a fine. He talk fine with the woman for telephone. Then they talk say don't die how. Thank you plenty, Master Patrick. Now the press button this afternoon for Simu na see my eye. Me, na Kongosa man. Anything where they happen for your quarter and your neighbor village. Thing when one worker so you see I may vex you. Call me for that thing by Patrick the struggle for put us so. 679791182. Now number where if you call we say for even for part of a business story, tell we tell you happen for any side, inform we for same we too for help for do more investigation and inform the general public for same people into the field not to happen for inside country. We there for here, now for sick I say we there for outside here. And as we are there for outside, we are the hell we for same will make me put a note to happen for inside this country for better way. 679791182. Now the number that we have to catch you for that side for same will make it happen for better way. If not, I will come back tomorrow for same will chakara tori for better way. Alas, God the information they say Patrick, alas come now last minute for that side. Man the make machine sometimes they tell you say, I be a papa, na me I control my sense, you know if you can't control my sense. Now the number that Patrick, you know, alas put on one, I feel dreaming for that side. Even a palava on a business story, on a occasion, on a get time, on a call we, then we say we know how cook for better way for something to happen, for some people to know to think we struggle for create time, or do them for other side, for some people to feel benefit. If you should know time, you die with time, maybe God go back, share them, and for share. Na semi make people and 2 minutes know for semi all man to live for better way. I don't go. So for tomorrow again.